Never ever go without health insurance. Health insurance is a contract that requires your health insurance to pay some or all healthcare costs in exchange for a premium. Don't forget to check your options that offer a health savings account.
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along, and so you're back.
Disability income insurance provides insured individuals with income when they can no longer work because of an accident, injury, illness, and disability. DI insurance is available through employers, the Social Security Administration, or private insurance companies. Policies pay out benefits for short or long-term disability coverage.
Singing Radiohead at the top of our lungs, with the boombox blaring as we're falling in love. Gotta follow whatever, but it's getting us drunk, singing here's to never growing up. Call up all our friends, go hard this weekend. For no damn reason, I don't think we'll ever.
It may not be a priority for you right now, but 69% of people over the age of 65 will need long-term care at some point in their lives. Long-term care insurance is designed to cover long-term services and supports, including personal and custodial care, such as services to assist with activities of daily living such as bathing, dressing, or eating.
I cut my hair and changed myself completely. I don't know my name.
Theft on the rise is a smart move to protect yourself with the right insurance. There are many different kinds of identity theft, but they all start with the criminal stealing a victim's personally identifiable information, or their PII. Examples of PII include your date of birth, address, full name, driver's license, and social security number. Identity theft is a type of insurance policy that provides financial protection for victims of identity theft. It's offered by insurance and credit card companies. Identity theft insurance generally aims to reimburse you for costs associated with the recovery process from identity theft, such as fees for case managers helping you with your recovery process, legal fees for civil judgments, court hearings, attorneys, costs of replacing important identifying documents, lost wages, cost to place fraud alerts on your credit reports, and fees charged by your bank or other lender as a result of fraudulent financial activity.
In case something happens to your possessions, homeowners insurance will cover your material belongings. If you have this insurance, be sure that you have guaranteed replacement costs. Guaranteed replacement costs covers the cost to repair or replace your home after a covered loss, even if the cost exceeds your policy limit. For example, after a natural disaster, demand and thus price of construction materials and labor would skyrocket. Guaranteed replacement costs would cover the difference so you don't have to pay it yourself.
You should have comprehensive auto insurance as well. Comprehensive covers damages to your car that are caused by something other than a collision. For example, comprehensive can cover damages from fire, theft, vandalism, windstorms, floods, and falling objects. If you are driving a Beetle, it doesn't cost that much to insure, so just keep it covered. If you have some money set aside and are driving a less expensive car, do the cost analysis.
Got my driver's license last week.
When it comes to how much liability insurance you should have, that can be answered in one word: lots. If you're in an accident that is your fault, the liability insurance covers what is considered to be your fault, like the cost to get a car fixed or someone's medical bills. If you don't have liability insurance at that time, you would be responsible for paying that amount out of pocket, which would not be a good situation. Liability auto insurance is a definite must-have, no matter what kind of car you drive.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why.
A life insurance policy guarantees the insurer pays a sum of money to one or more named beneficiaries when the insured person dies in exchange for premiums paid by the policyholder during their lifetime. Term life insurance policies expire after a certain number of years. They're generally cheaper than permanent life insurance policies. Permanent life insurance policies remain active until the insured person dies, stops paying premium, or surrenders the policy. It's more expensive than term life insurance. Premiums are somewhat dependent on your condition of health. If you are healthier, typically you'll have lower premiums.